Hello and welcome to part 2 of the AS and A-Level Python series, and in this episode we are going to be looking at comments. So comments are statements that are ignored by your interpreter when it is compiling or when it is translating your script from a high-level language to a low-level language, is it? So let's save our first comment. So in order for you to write comments in Python, you simply make use of the hashtag or the pound symbol, as it were, right? So you just type hash, and this is a simple hello world program. So right there on line 1 I have my very first comment going on, and basically this line is going to be ignored by the interpreter. So the main reason we really write comments is simply to document scripts, as it were. This helps us to explain the code to other users or to other programmers that we might be working with on the same project, and it also helps the developer to remember the logic behind a particular script. So suppose maybe they come back 6 months later and they want to try and maintain that particular piece of code, right? You can always read the comments to find out what a certain segment of code is doing. So having written our first comment, maybe let's actually write a program that prints the words hello world onto the screen. So hello world, that's all we gotta do, and I'm going to press play and we should see hello world down there in the console. Yeah, so I think that's just about it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.